Are you tired of counting calories, following complicated diet plans, and still not seeing the weight loss results you want? What if I told you that simply adjusting when you eat rather than what you eat could be the game changer you've been looking for? Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting. In today's video, we're diving deep into how intermittent fasting can unlock your body's fat-burning potential, how long you need to fast to start seeing real results, and whether you have to be on a low-carb or keto diet to make it work. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more science-backed weight loss strategies. First things first, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not a diet. It's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. The goal, to allow your body to shift from using glucose, sugar, as its main fuel source to using stored fat for energy. Here's how it works. When you eat, your insulin levels rise, signaling your body to store fat. But when you fast, insulin levels drop and your body starts burning stored fat for fuel instead. This is what makes intermittent fasting so powerful for weight loss. Think of it like this. If you're constantly snacking, your body never has a reason to tap into fat stores. But when you fast, you're giving your body the opportunity to start using that stored fat for energy. So, how long do you need to fast before you actually start seeing results? Well, that depends on your fasting method. There are several popular intermittent fasting schedules, but here are the most common. 12-12 method, fast for 12 hours, eat within a 12-hour window, good for beginners. 16-8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window, most popular. 18-6 method, fast for 18 hours, eat within a 6-hour window, more advanced. 20-4 method, fast for 20 hours, eat within a 4-hour window, asterisk extreme. OMAD 1 meal a day, fast for 23 hours, eat 1 meal, for the bold. Studies show that most people start seeing noticeable weight loss within 2 to 4 weeks of consistent fasting, especially with the 16-8 or 18-6 method. The key is consistency. You don't have to be perfect, just stick to it and your body will adjust. Now, let's tackle one of the biggest questions. Do you have to be on a keto or low-carb diet to see results with intermittent fasting? The answer, no, but it helps. Here's why. High-carb diets equals higher insulin levels equals slower fat burning. Low-carb or keto diets equals lower insulin levels equals faster fat burning. If you're eating lots of refined carbs and sugars when you break your fast, your insulin levels will spike, slowing down fat loss. But if you focus on whole foods, protein, and healthy fats, your body will stay in fat-burning mode longer. However, even if you don't follow keto, intermittent fasting still works. You just might have to fast a little longer or be more mindful of your overall food choices. Want to make intermittent fasting easier and more effective? Here are some pro tips. Stay hydrated. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee will keep hunger at bay. Start slowly. If 16-8 feels tough, start with 12-12 and gradually increase. Prioritize protein and healthy fats. They keep you full longer and stabilize energy levels. Move your body. Exercise boosts fat loss and makes fasting more effective. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones, making fasting harder. Before you jump into fasting, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you have diabetes, low blood sugar issues, are pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders, always check with your doctor first. Your health comes first. So, what do you think? Are you ready to unlock the power of intermittent fasting for weight loss? If you've tried it before, let me know in the comments what your experience was. And if you're just starting, what fasting method are you thinking of trying? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.